Repair or upgrade? Would you repair your cell phone or upgrade? Of course, you would upgrade. Here's my CNC machine, and here's a control box for controlling the spindle speed. So here's the original spindle that I used for this particular CNC router. It's just a hand die grinder from Princess Auto, and it had originally one single speed, so I rigged it up to a special controller board that I can vary the speed from 0 to 24,000. And inside here I modified the shaft in here to accept some different collets. But recently, as you can see, something went wrong. I think I blew a bearing inside. It chatters, it vibrates, it can't keep its accuracy anymore. So instead of fixing this at this time, I will fix it later because it's a really good little unit and can get into some really tight spots with it. But I've decided to upgrade and go to a water-cooled spindle made in China, these guys here. And again, it goes up to 24,000 RPMs. Like I said, it's water-cooled. It's really quiet. And it's got no internal fans, so it doesn't blow the dust all over the place. And now that I've played with this, I should have had this a long time ago, but I'll show you what I had to do to hook that thing up in another video. Components needed for the upgrade. Purchased a China-built water-cooled spindle. It's rated at 2.2 kilohertz, which translates as 3 horsepower. And then a VFD, which stands for variable frequency drive. It uses 220 single phase, converts it to 220 3-phase because the spindle runs on 3-phase power. And then for the water cooling side, I just went and got a submersible pump from Princess Auto and put a bypass valve on it, made some other little connections, and then I put it in this portable tub with the lid on it and ran my hoses in and out of it. And those four components make up the whole spindle mechanism and drive. Time to test the new spindle. I need a new house sign, so I thought this would be a good time to do up a drawing, do up a preview, and just see how the new spindle performs. So let's watch how she does.
So there you have it, a little bit of sanding, a little bit of touch-up here and there, and I decided to paint it a black background with white letters so that the light would shine down on the white letters and make it much easier to see from the street. So hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check me out on my YouTube channel. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.